Congratulations on your new role, new project, new assignment. It may be a bit overwhelming when you start something new, but I have three simple strategies to help you along the way. Number one, get hyper focused on what your key priorities are. It's very easy to get distracted by millions of different things, but this is where you have to sit down with your reporting manager to nail down what it is that they need from you in the next quarter, 6 months, up to a year, and then start implementing those. Number two, chuck expertise and use support network. Instead of trying to read up all the documents and find all the information and go for millions of courses, ask who in the team or in the organization can you leverage who is an expert on this matter, and ask them for their help or at least to point you to the right resources. Number three, get close to the business stakeholders. Similar to point number two in terms of communicating within the organization, here your key market is different and the takeaway is different. Here you want to know what is important for this person and how you can make an impact to whatever they are handling. If you can tie it up to your priorities set in point number one, then you've just hit a jackpot. So all the best with your new role, and I hope these tips will be very helpful to you.